What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to show you where I'm at right now. We finna put in the braces so that way they can have an electronic gate. So we're working on that right now. And everything lined up. Pretty neat little project. Like I say, just taking my time. Right now I'm lining out the gate assembly part to open up the gate. I actually never put one of these on, but it's not hard. You know, it's self-explanatory. Just reading the instructions. This is not hard. Just laying everything out. But that's what I'm out here doing, man. Get my hog on. Like I said, I just left one project. Now I'm on another one, and hopefully I can make something happen, man. You know, stay on the grind, and regardless what you got going on, man, as long as you stay focused, a door is gonna open up for you. Remember that. Hold on.